So we had some questions about the Facebook Live and streaming from the Avkans app to Facebook Live. Right now, my camera is connected via Wi-Fi, and you're seeing the camera, its projection into Avkans Live. I'm going to click Live, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stream from the app. I'm going to click Live Streaming, and then I'm going to select the destination. My destination is going to be Facebook. I'm going to edit this because I don't want everyone to see. I just want myself to be able to see this. Once you edit that, you need to select your Facebook account, click Add Destination, and then we have to select that destination, and we're going to say Go Live. It'll take a second, and as you can see, close this out. As you can see, we are live now. And where are we live to? Let me go to Facebook, my account, and if you look at that, the red circles around live, and you can actually probably hear that it is playing, and you see what I'm doing. Okay, that's the one way if you're connected via Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and stop the live. That's via the app, so I'm hitting end. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to remove the camera. This iPad has cellular service, so I'm going to stream directly from, I'm going to connect the camera through access point, and then instead of connecting it via Wi-Fi, I'm going to connect via the device. And what that's going to do is it's going to establish a connection between the camera's Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi antenna inside my iPad. So I'm clicking next. It sees the camera. I select the camera, and I get this message that says Avkans Live wants to join the Wi-Fi network Avkans Go 1 5G. So this is now going to make the connection between the iPad's Wi-Fi antenna and the Wi-Fi module inside the Avkans Go. It's now connected. So there, it looks like it's giving me a little tip about a firmware version. I'm not going to mess with that right now. But you could see the camera's connected. But this time, instead of it being connected Wi-Fi, it's connected via Wi-Fi directly to the camera. And if you see that little AP up in the corner there, that's access point. That means that it's connected directly to the camera rather than through my internet service and my Wi-Fi. So now when I go live, I'm going to still stream via the app. I need to edit that profile again. It still says self, so that's good. Saying save. I need to make sure that's selected. Now, when I go live, we're going to get this message that says use cellular data. I'm going to say yes. So now I'm clicking go live. Stay in the app or the stream will end. There it is. It's live streaming to Facebook. I'm going to go back to the camera so you could see this. There's my Facebook. When I click it, I am streaming live, and you're seeing, you should be seeing, and you are my phone with the live. That's live on Facebook and the app right here. Anyway, you have the same control over the camera that you normally do. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more tech tips. And we'll see you next time.